Hello everyone, my name is Atase Millicent from Digital Marketing Skill Institute, and in this short video, I'll be showing you how to run an ad on the Facebook Ads Manager without having a website. In the last video, I talked about the different kind of objectives you can actually use if you want to run an ad on the Facebook Ads Manager without having a website. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to run an ad on the Facebook Ads Manager without having a website. But before I continue, I would like you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new YouTube video, and you can like this video and share on your social media platform after watching. So I'm going to use this page as an example. So this is a Facebook page that has no website but wants to run an ad on the Facebook Ads Manager. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'll come over to this place and I'll click on Ad Center. Then I'll click on All Ads. So after clicking on All Ads, I'll come over here and click on Ads Manager. So I'm going to wait for this to load, so it does load. So I'm going to click on Create Ad. So clicking on this Create Ad, I'll be asked to choose the objectives that I want to use. And in the last video, I explained the objectives that you can actually use if you want to run an ad using the Facebook Ads Manager without having a website. So the objectives that I'm going to use brand awareness. So I'll click on brand awareness, then I'll click here, scroll down, then I'm going to name my campaign. So for this purpose of this video, I'm just going to give my campaign name to be food. Then I'll come to the ad set level here. Then I'll call this food 2. Then I'll come to create ad. Then I'll just call it food ad. Then I'll click on continue. So I'll click on continue right now. Then it brings me to this page. So on this page here, so I have nothing to do here anymore. So this is the campaign level. So I'll click next. So after clicking next, it will take me to the ad set level. Click next. So I'm going to the ad set level here. So this ad set level is where I'm going to set my budget. So I don't want to use 995 naira. So I want to use 1,000 naira. So I'll impute 1,000 there. So I have 1,000 naira there, and daily budget. So that's the daily budget, is the amount of money I want to spend on a daily basis to run ads on Facebook. So 1,000 naira is there. So I'll come down here, start date. So I want my date to start right now. So I have 28th of May 2021, 12:39 p.m. here. So I'm not going to change that, and I'm not going to put an end date there. So when my ads finish running, so if I'm not going to put an end date there, when my ad finish running for today, I could just pause my ad rather than including an end date there. So I'll come down here. So this is the place where I'm going to choose the audience I want to show my ad to. So I could just scroll down and click on the pencil icon that said detail targeting. So before that, there's location here. I could choose the location I want my ad to show to. Then I could also choose the age range that I want my ad to show to. I could choose the gender also. Then I could choose the people I want to show my ads to. That's under the detailed targeting. So I'm going to leave this age here. You can just leave the age like this, or you can decide to change the age. So let me change it right now. So I want to change this. So I'll click on this drop down icon here. Then I'll change it to let me say 25 to 45. So let me find 45 here to 45. So I've chosen the location, that's Nigeria. I want my ad to show to people in Nigeria, that is all part of Nigeria, and the age range 25 to 45, all genders. So I'm going to do my detailed targeting. Since this is a food page, so I want my ads to show to people that are interested in food. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to impute food. So I have food here. I could say any interest based on food because the page is actually about food. So I'm going to click any interest, demographics, behavior that is actually related to food. So those are the people I want them to see my ad. So I'm going to click organic food also. Organic food, people interested in organic food. So I have organic food there. I'm going to click on it. So I'll scroll down. So the placement I want my ads to show to. So you could choose automatic placement. So if you choose automatic placement, it means you want Facebook to determine the placement where they will place where your ads would show. But if you use that of manual placement, you are going to determine where you want your ads to show. So I'm going to pick manual placement. So I don't want Facebook to decide for me. I want to make that decision myself. So I'm going to click on manual placement. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to uncheck this, and uncheck this, because I want my ads to show on Facebook. So I could also come down here, like these are platforms here. We have Facebook, Instagram, the Audience Network, and the Messenger. So the platform I want my ads to show on is Facebook. I don't want it to show on Instagram. I don't want it to show on Audience Network. I don't want it to show on Messenger. So after checking Facebook as the platform I want my ad to show, then I'll scroll down. So these are the placements here. So which placement under Facebook do I want my ad to show? We have different placements. We have that of the news feed, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook video feeds. Then we have which one? Facebook stories. Then we have Facebook in-stream videos. Then we have Facebook search result, and Facebook in articles. So I could just choose from this. So for this particular ad, I want it to show just on Facebook feed alone. So I'm going to uncheck the rest. So I'm going to uncheck everything here. Uncheck this, uncheck this. Yeah, I've unchecked everything. So I just have Facebook news feed alone. But if you are running your own ad, you can actually determine the placement you want Facebook to show your ads to, or you can allow Facebook determine that for you. So me, I've determined the placement I want my ads to show on, and the placement I want is the Facebook news feed. So I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to click on next. So it's going to show, my ad is going to show on Facebook newsfeed. So this is the name of my Facebook page. That's FoodWeb. That's the name of my Facebook page. Since I'm not using Instagram, there's no need for me to click on this in order to bring my Instagram business account. So I'm going to scroll down. So the format you want. So what format do you want your that's your ad creative to be? Is it single image or video, or is it carousel? So for this, I want single image. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to scroll down, scroll back up to check if everything are in place. Okay, for instance, if I want to create an ad and I don't want to create an ad I don't want to create an ad from the beginning. Like what I mean from the beginning, that I'll have to like start writing an ad copy or start designing an ad creative again. So I could just use my existing post to create this ad. So I'm going to click on use existing post. So on my page, I have different kind of posts there. So when I click this use existing post, it's going to bring out all the posts I have there. So I'll click on use existing post. Then I'm going to select the post I want to run an ad for. So these are the posts I have there. So let's scroll down. So these are the posts I have on my Facebook page. So I'm going to click on this particular post. So after clicking on it, I'll click continue. So I already have my ad creative and that of the ad copy there all together. That is, I took them from the post created on my Facebook page. So after doing this, I could just come here and click publish. I come here and click publish. So before clicking publish, it's always advisable for you to go back to check everything you've done so that you would not make any mistake. And if you are not really familiar with the Facebook advertising policy and community standard, it is very important for you to get yourself familiar with the Facebook advertising policy and community standard so that Facebook will not disable your ad while running it. So I'll go back to check everything that have done. So after going back to check everything that I've done, so I'm going to go back. So this is the campaign level. It's okay. Then I'll click on next. I'll go to the ad set level. Fine, this is okay. Then I'll click on next. Then I'll come to the ad level. This is okay. Then I'll come here and I'll click on publish. So once you publish your post, your ad is going to show to those people you've actually selected in that location and within that age range. So I know you must have learned a lot from this video, because right now you can actually run an ad on the Facebook Ads Manager without having a website. So if you really want to learn more about how to run an effective advertising campaign on the Facebook Ads Manager, you could register for our digital marketing training course. Visit www.digitalmarketingskill.com. I know you must have enjoyed this video, so if you've enjoyed this video, I want you to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new YouTube video. You can like this video and share this video on your social media platform. Bye for now.